and scream. Everybody shout it out loud now. I'll come and scream. Everybody throw your hands up high. When I go in, when I leave it, until the sun come out. When I go in anywhere but here, nobody's leaving tonight. You see him running around anymore. All you ever do is run from the ghost that's haunting you in the past. Whoa, when you feel you're all messed up, if there's nothing else to do when you start hearing those voices calling in your head, in your sleep.
Hi, this is John. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review the Makeup Forever Studio Case. This palette also includes this booklet, and it also have 4 suggestions on how you are going to use this palette. So it comes with 4 looks. You have the natural, the smoky, the bold, and the chic look. I tried all 4 looks and I followed the step-by-step instruction on how to do it. So everybody has different eye shape, eye size, and also eye structures. Mine has an Asian eyes with a little bit almond shape and hooded eyes. So if you have the same eyes like me, you'll have an idea of how it will look on you. So if you want to know how I did all these looks, just continue to watch. And before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and don't forget to have fun.
I'll come and scream. Everybody shout it out loud now.
So I will be reviewing the Makeup Forever Studio Case palette, and as you can see, it comes in this case. The last time I used this, I did not give justice to it, so this time I want to give justice to how this palette works. So let me show you the case. So it comes in a very nice sturdy case, which is a studio case, and when you open it, you're going to see a big mirror and this palette. Okay, this palette also can be removed, as you can see, and you can have a case. So I already tried this, and I tried putting up some makeup here. So I have a Maybelline powder here. It's a powder that can be used wet or dry, so it can be a pressed powder or a foundation. So I can put it here. And also I have a lipstick from Elana Cosmetics. Then also for the concealer, I have the Hoola bronzer. It also comes with the brush. So this is the mini size Hoola. And also a blush on from Pink Sugar Sweet Cheeks. It also comes with a brush. So all of this can fit here. And also I included a small sponge just in case you need one. And it can be placed there along with your palette. So here it is. Okay, so like that. So we have a booklet here that shows us guide how to use this. So basically you have 12 colors, and each side, so I'm going to show it to you. So here are your 12 colors, and each column gives you a different version of looks that you can get. So on this side you have the natural, smoky, bold, and chic. Okay, so for every line, there is a suggested look. So I will be doing this 4 looks in one palette, just using the Makeup Forever makeup. So this is the bold look, and this is the chic look. So let's start. For all my eye looks, I'll be using the Urban Decay Eye Primer and setting it up with the Nichido Loose Powder. The first look that I'm going to demonstrate is the chic look. The first step is to apply Artist Shadow D826 all over the eyelids up to the crease, then blend it well. Apply the shadow ME828 on the upper eyelids and blend it well. Then go back to shadow D826 to blend the harsh edges. Use shader brush to accentuate the brow bone with Artist Shadow I524 and blend it to the previous color. Use wet wipes to clean fallouts. I'm going to use Pretty Vulgar to create a simple winged eyeliner. For my lower lash line, I'll be using the D826 and a smudger brush. The next look is the natural look using the gradient eye technique. First step is to apply Artist Shadow M530 with the shader brush. Then on the center eyelid, apply S516. Apply shadow I544 on the outer corner of the eye with the shader brush. I'm going to use S516 to blend. For definition, apply a thin line of artist liner along the upper and lower lashes. Don't forget to use a smudger to smudge the liner. I'm using I544 for my lower lash line. I'm going to use Kat Von D in the shade Thumbelina for my lips. Third look is the bold look using the Smoky Contrast Eye technique. First step is to line the upper and lower lash line with the artist liner. With the short shader brush, blend the liner to create a parenthesis on the inner and outer corners of the eye. Reinforce the parenthesis and the lines around the eye with Artist Shadow I218. Don't forget to blend the harsh edges. Next, apply the Artist Shadow D926 on the eyelid with the shader brush, blending into the line 218, dark shade it in the crease and hugging the ball of the eye. I'm going to use the same concealer for the inner eyelids. Next, I'm going to apply shadow D236 at the center of my eyelid with my finger. Then blend the harsh edges. Then again, I'm going to use Pretty Vulgar to define my eyes by a winged eyeliner. To highlight my brow bone and inner corners of my eyes, I'm going to use the MAC pigment. I'm going to use Bite Beauty in the shade Pepper for my lips. Then top it off with Marc Jacobs lip gloss. For the final look, I'm going to do the Smokey with the Smokey eye technique. To use the artist liner to line my upper lid. Using a smudger brush, I'm going to smudge the liner. Use the shadow M100 all over the eyelid and blend. Apply the shadow ME108 into the crease with the shader brush, blending it to slightly overlap the M100 darker shade. Using a clean brush, I'm going to blend all the harsh edges. I'm going to use the artist liner again for the lower lash line. Then using a smudging brush, I'm going to blend the liner. Then blending with the shader brush, I'm going to use ME108 for the under eye. Apply shadow ME122 just under the brow bone with the shader brush. Use wet wipes to clean up fallouts. I'll still be using Pretty Vulgar for my winged eyeliner. Finally, using shade ME122, I'm going to highlight the inner corners of my eye. I'm suggesting 2 lip colors for this look, so it depends on your preference. The first look is I'm going to use a red lip liner all over my lips. Then I'm going to top it off with Marc Jacobs High Gloss Lip Lacquer in the shade Change Enamored 362. I'm going to use the NARS lipstick in the shade Charlotte. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video, and again, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And also, I have other social media accounts here that you can also follow. So if you have any suggestion or comments, please don't hesitate to write down there. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Have a nice life. God bless.
I'll come out and scream. Everybody shout it out loud now. I'll come out and scream. Everybody throw your hands up high. When I go in, when I leave it, until the sun come out. When I'm going anywhere but here, nobody's leaving tonight.